Today, we're going to dive deep into a captivating story in the electric vehicle industry. We're focusing on Mullen Automotive, a contender seeking to break out of the shadows and claim its spot in the EV limelight. Get ready for a roller coaster ride of stock market trends, business strategies, and the exciting potential that Mullen Automotive holds. Grab your seat and let's get started. Alright, let's dive into the Mullen stock's performance on the 2nd of August 2023. It looks like the stock had quite the day. Opening at 12.5 cents, it started off alright. However, there was a bit of a dip as the day wore on, closing at 12.19 cents, a slight drop from the previous close of 12.92 cents. Now, looking at the daily high, Mullen peaked at 12.63 cents, but unfortunately, the stock also hit its low for the day at 12 cents. The percentage change here was minus 5.65%, a bit of a rough day, to be honest. Interestingly, the surge signals paint a slightly more complex picture. On the upside, the signals were at 12.97 cents, 14.01 cents, and 16.07 cents, but we didn't see the stock reach these levels during the day. Now on the downside, the signals were at 11.95 cents, 10.91 cents, and 9.89 cents. We didn't hit those lower signals either, which is definitely a good thing. Basically, Mullen stock stayed within a tight band, despite a pretty significant trading range of 5.04%. The volume metrics, with an average daily volume of 405763945 and the actual volume of 1147063347, indicate that interest in the stock remained relatively high despite the downward trend. Now, let's shift gears and take a look at a news article that's pretty insightful about Mullen's outlook. Mullen stock has been in a tough bearish trend, and there's no denying that it's been underperforming when compared to other EV stocks like Tesla and NIO. But let's focus on the future here. Mullen Automotive is ramping up its efforts in the EV space, making strides in solid-state battery technology and running its platform for buying and selling cars, CarHub. More importantly, Mullen is showing a knack for strategic acquisitions. The 2022 acquisitions of Electric Last Mile Solutions, ELMS, and a majority stake in Bollinger Motors demonstrate a long-term vision that could pay dividends down the line. Notably, Bollinger Motors recently received a $3 million grant for job creation in Michigan, a positive indicator of Mullen's growth potential. And speaking of growth, Mullen announced its first revenue of $308,000 from the sale of 22 EV Vargo vans to Randy Marion Automotive Group. On top of that, the company successfully raised an additional $110 million through the sale of convertible preferred stocks, warrants, and promissory notes. It's also bolstering its team with key hires, signaling a commitment to expertise and talent. And, despite the bearish trend, Mullen has started delivering its Class 1 EV cargo van right on schedule. Now, the reverse stock split announced in May 2023 has the potential to reinvigorate investor interest. This could consolidate the number of shares on the market and increase the share price, without affecting the company's market cap. Lastly, the recent order from Ireland's Newgate for 30 units of Mullengeo commercial urban delivery electric vehicle points to expanding market opportunities. All these factors could potentially turn the tide for Mullen stock price, given the right market conditions. With that in mind, let's take a look at the surge signals for the upcoming trading session on August 3, 2023. For the surge signals upward, we're looking at 12.41 cents, 12.75 cents, and 13.11 cents. If the stock starts moving towards these numbers and breaches them, that would indicate a potential bullish move. Conversely, if the stock starts approaching 12.05 cents or 11.71 cents and dips below these levels, it may confirm a bearish trend. Remember, the market can be unpredictable, and these signals are just indicators, not guarantees. To wrap up, thanks for tuning in and diving into the world of Mullen stock with me today. If you found this discussion helpful and want to keep up with the latest stock news and analysis, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, we love hearing from you, so drop a comment below. Do you think Mullen Automotive's efforts in the EV space and strategic acquisitions will help turn around its stock price? Let's get the conversation going. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next session.